Hey there, explorers! We use the internet every single day, right? It's how we connect with friends, shop for cool stuff, and learn amazing things. But just like in the real world, it's super important to stay safe online, especially when it comes to our personal information. Think about all the things you do online, sending emails, checking your bank account, or even just browsing your favorite websites. All of this involves sharing information over the internet. That's where HTTP and HTTPS come in. These guys are like the postal service of the internet, making sure your information gets where it needs to go. So, what exactly is HTTP? Imagine you're sending a postcard to your friend. Anyone who handles that postcard, from the mail carrier to the people at the post office, can read what you wrote, right? That's kind of how HTTP works. HTTP stands for Hypertext Transfer Protocol. It's like the regular mail system of the internet, sending your information as digital postcards. But here's the catch. With HTTP, your information isn't very protected. It's like writing your credit card number on that postcard for everyone to see. Now let's talk about HTTPS. HTTPS is like sending a super secure letter instead of a postcard. It stands for Hypertext Transfer Protocol Secure, and it's all about keeping your information private. Think of it like this. HTTPS uses something called SSL TLS, which is like putting your digital letter in a super strong envelope that can't be opened by anyone except the person you're sending it to. SSL stands for Secure Sockets Layer, and TLS stands for Transport Layer Security. They're like secret codes that scramble your information, making it unreadable to any sneaky snoopers out there. So, when should you be looking out for HTTPS? Always, especially when you're doing things like online banking, shopping, or entering any personal information. Think of it this way, reading the news online, probably okay to use a site with just HTTP. But buying those cool new sneakers online, you definitely want HTTPS to protect your payment info. Using HTTPS, SSL, and TLS is like adding an extra layer of protection to your online adventures. It keeps your information safe and sound, just like a secret agent protecting their top secret files. So the next time you're browsing the web, remember to look for that little HTTPS and padlock in the address bar. It's a sure sign that your information is being sent securely.